Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the mouse off and removing the battery or USB dongle. This prevents shorts. Once done, gather a small Phillips screwdriver, spudger, tweezers, and 90% isopropyl. These tools let you access tiny parts safely. Now flip the mouse, peel the glide pads, and remove the 3/5 visible screws. Carefully wedge the spudger in the seam and lift evenly. If a clip resists, pause and reassess so you don't snap plastic. This gets you to the internal assembly, ready for inspection. You now examine the PCB and moving parts carefully to find the fault. First, inspect the battery connector, ribbon cable, and traces for corrosion or broken solder. This often causes intermittent failures. Next, look at the microswitch and scroll encoder. A worn switch or debris in the encoder explains sticky clicks. Clean contacts and pads with 90% isopropyl and a cotton swab. If a solder joint looks cracked, reflow it with a fine tip iron and add a touch of flux for a reliable repair. You finish by carefully reseating any cables, aligning clips and snapping the top cover back in place so nothing is pinched. Once the screws and rebound glide pads are installed, reconnect the battery or plug the dongle in, power on and run a quick test of every button and the scroll wheel. If one button still fails, replace the microswitch or the entire click module. This is often the single most effective fix. If problems persist, check solder joints again and try a different USB port or computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.